Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can change your X, that is Twitter username, and your display name on X, that is Twitter. So in this video I'm just going to show you how you can change these two things on your X account Twitter. So the first thing is to go to your Twitter account, your X account, or your mobile phone and click on your profile at the top by my left hand side here and navigate to profile. You can see, then click on edit profile and you can see your name. This is your display name. You can change this, you can see, and you can type the if you want to change this to anyone that you love, can quickly do this, and by this can change your display name on your X account H-QTV. You can see one, and you can save this, like can be using this as your display name, can change this to anyone that you love. I'm just going to save it at the top here, and to change your username I'm just going to go back and click on my profile again and click on other settings and support. So I'm going to click on settings and privacy. When it brings you to this page, you are going to click on your account and account information. You can see username, then you can change this to anyone. Make sure that the username you want to change this to is available, like one. Then you can see that it's available, but if it's not available, let me type, for example, somewhere. You can see that another person has taken this, so this name is not available. And by this can change your username by this can change your username on X, on Twitter. By this can change your display name and your username on X. And by this, if you find this video helpful, please can subscribe and like this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Peace.